everyone, welcome back to Be My Cook. Do you have a favorite deli sandwich? I do, and today I'm going to show you my favorite hot deli sandwich. Let's get started. Here is some of the ingredients that we're going to use to make my hot deli sandwich. I have salamis, I have ham, I have provolone cheese, a red onion, I have some mild banana peppers, some mustard, and in the background there you have French bread. I'm going to serve my sandwich with a big salad. And this is what we're going to have for dinner. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut our French bread in half. Now we're going to add our provolone cheese. And we're going to put both halves on a tray and we're going to put it in the oven. Now while we are waiting for our bread to toast in the oven, I'm going to start to slice up our jalapeno. We just need a few slices. That's enough. And some red onion. Now if you don't like red onion, you can use yellow onion or don't use any onions at all. Now I have a mixture of deli meats here. I have hard salami, I have Cotto salami, I have Black Forest ham, and sandwich pepperoni. You can add any deli meat that you would like. And I'm also using provolone cheese. If you like Swiss cheese, go ahead and use Swiss cheese or any other cheese that you like. I'm going to turn on the stove and I'm going to add a generous tablespoon of butter. And when this melts, we're going to add our deli meat and our onions. Now I've just taken our bread out of the oven. It's only been in there for 5 minutes, just enough to let the cheese melt. Our butter is melted and now we're going to add our onions and our deli meats. Put them all in the pan. Now we're going to warm these through. The salami start to get a little crispy and everything start to brown. I just turned up the heat so that we can get this a bit crispy. Now I'm cooking my onions in here. You don't have to. You can leave them just fresh as soon as you cut them. But I like my onions cooked. I'm not using any salt or pepper because this deli meat is salty enough. Now that our meat is getting crispy, I'm going to add in our jalapenos. You can see what I'm looking for here. It's getting nice and crispy. Now I have my flame on medium-high. Just keep stirring it all around. Get all the pieces to the bottom of the skillet so they can brown. Okay, this is done. And I'm going to take a plate and put all my deli meat on top of it to drain it. Now remember, this is just butter. Okay, I got everything out. We're just going to set that aside. Now I'm just going to take a paper towel and I'm going to dab some of the butter off of our deli meat. We don't want a soggy sandwich. Now let's assemble the sandwich. We already have our cheese melted. Now we're just going to add some of our sandwich pepperoni and whatever. And we have some Cotto salami here. Now this is very hot. This is supposed to be a sandwich that is a hot sandwich. I'm going to add some of the jalapenos that we cooked, some of the onions. Put those on the top, all around the sandwich. Now let's keep adding our meat. Have some ham. We just want it to be as even as possible. Now you don't have to stack it up as high as I'm stacking mine. You can make a couple sandwiches out of this. All right, let's add some of these banana peppers on the top. This is like a spicy Italian sandwich. Now we're going to add some mustard. And the last thing we're going to add is this Hoagie dressing. And we're just going to put some of that on. This is what really makes the sandwich. Let's add our top layer. Ooh, look at that. If you like this recipe and you would like to see more, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.